Hello, 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 everybody. This is Dr. Shaniva Early, your craft doctor, and I'm here with the first video from the Ocean Breeze Ultimate Card Layouts. And this is a very quick one. So we're going to be doing this one here. It's a 3x3 card base, and I've already cut the pieces out, and they're ready for us. It's really super easy. I'll leave these three little and tiny. These 3x3s are good when you're doing some putting them with a gift. Okay, so we got a 3x3 card base. You know these come right in the kit. And then I picked a matte layer from the paper collection. Super cute card layer. Okay. Always my thing spent off. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is 3x3. This size is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and it is a perfect matte layer for that. And then this matte layer is 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, and then it has like an ocean breeze type thing, and so I'm going to make sure that is upright. Okay, so then next we have our little flags. So I cut these all the same size, and I just took a scissors, cut up the middle, 1, 2, and that's how I made the little flag ends. And I'm just gonna pop these on here. So I'll put this one, let's see, we're gonna pop this right in the middle. So if I put this here, 3x3, then this is the middle. And do this, put this one right on the side of this one, and this one on the side of this one. We got them some semblance of being together. And then this is our card base. I'm going to pop this up with pop dots. Let me see. Right in front of me should be some pop dots right here. I'm going to use this piece. I use these all up, but this is still good. So I'm going to just cut me off a piece. I have a lot of pop dots type from all kinds of different companies, but as soon as I use them all up, I'm going to start making my own, which you can easily do. Make your own pop dots. But it's so hard. If you're an avid crafter, it's so hard to kind of be without them because almost every kit comes with them. If you are an Anna Griffin fan and you get all her boxes, a lot of those come with them. So it's a lot of them. You have a lot of them. Okay, so now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to lay this right across the flags, just like that. And I'm going to move it up just a little bit. And press that down, just like that. And then we have our little sailboat, which is the cutest little thing ever. I'm going to put some 3D glue gel on it so it can stand up. see if I have some. I do have just a little bit of 3D glue gel left in this, but always have to poke that hole for that 3D glue gel to come out. I'm going to just add just a little bit on each little piece, and that just gives it a little bit more movability or height, as it were, right on there. Okay. And then what they have is these very, can you even see them? Tiny birds. It's terrible because it's so hard to even pick this little one up. My question is, why would y'all torture us with these little bitty pieces? This probably could have been a stamp that would have been, better served. But look at me, fussing with them. So I'm just going to take a little dot of glue. And my birds kind of take the place of what probably would have been some gems. We're going to put one right here and that other one right there, which that is probably just too much glue. Let's see. Okay, let's see how this will work, because I need to put these little bitty babies right on top of that glue. And one right there. I can't even get this thing on there. One right there. And one right there. All right. And that is our card for today. That quick little, really 5-minute making of card. So that is our first card in our series for the Ocean Breeze collection. So my next video, I will be doing this one right here with all of the different die cuts. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.